Hello and welcome to the Beer Chef. If you have ever considered all grain brewing in your pint of three but have been unsure of the equipment required, then today's video is the one that you have been waiting for. So without further ado, let's go step by step through the additional equipment required for all grain brewing in your pint of three. So there you have it, all the equipment that you need for all grain brewing in your pint of 3. Everything that you have seen on this video, the links to all the equipment that has been listed is available in the description of this video. There are just 2 optional extras that are not essential, but they are nice to have, and that is a digital refractometer, so you can calculate your ABV percentage, and also a ice spindle where you can calculate the duration of your fermentation. It will give you an indication of when your fermentation is complete. But they are absolutely optional extras. It is not essential at all that you calculate your ABV, and it is not essential to calculate with a ice spindle the duration of your fermentation. You can just take an estimated guess using golden rule number 2 of mine, which is as simple as this. If you're all grain brewing in your pint of 3 and you're doing an ale, just give it 9 days fermentation, 9 days conditioning. If you're doing a lager, give it 12 days fermentation, 12 days conditioning. It is as simple as that. So that is the conclusion of today's video. Any questions, pop them in the comments and I will do my best to answer as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on the next one.